Vocational training in Germany is just another term for Ausbildung in Germany. Vocational training or Ausbildung is a program designed to equip individuals with the skills needed to become proficient workers in a specific career or trade. Welcome to my channel today. Why choose Germany? Germany is renowned for its robust vocational training system, offering a unique blend of hands-on experience and academic learning. It's the perfect place to develop skills in a practical settings, and this can open doors to a multitude of career opportunities. Vocational training in Germany or Ausbildung in Germany is another ladder to your career success. So by watching this video, you're not just benefiting yourself, but you're becoming the platform of information for friends, families, and your community. So going into today's video, this is also a continuation video, and it's all about Berufe in Metallbau, that is professions in metal construction. So this video you can find in my playlist, Mechanical Engineering Ausbildung in Germany. This is the second area of specialization, and we are still talking about professions in metal construction. Career options 1 to 8 have been discussed in previous videos, so I encourage you to go into the playlist if you want to know more career options when it comes to mechanical engineering Ausbildung in Germany. You can go into the playlist and watch these videos. Today's video I'll be discussing the 9th career option, which has 3 areas of specialization. It has to do basically with metal constructor. So the first, as the picture beside is showing, of the 9th career, the first area of specialization is in the Fachrichtung Konstruktionstechnik, that is construction technology specialist. You are a construction technology specialist. The duration is 3 years and 5 months, and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. It is a recognized training. Do you need a certificate? Yes, apart from your German language, you need your Hochschulreife, your Hauptschulabschluss, and your Realschulabschluss. So if you don't understand the standard of documents you have, you can do your documents. Any certificate you have, it's called Anerkennung, the standardization in Germany. You can standardize your certificate so you know which level of certificate you have. So the equivalent of the certificate, you can get that done. So what do? Metal workers specializing in construction technology, you manufacture and install roofing, gates, windows, frames, or safety grills made of steel or metals. You often produce unique pieces according to customer specification. You draw, you cut, and shape metal plates, tubes, or profile. You can weld as well, rivet or screw the individual components together. During on-site assembly, you make sure that the installation is locked properly and security systems of the mechanical, hydraulic or electrical driver gates is being installed, or sun protection system, for example. You also provide maintenance services for your products that you've designed, that you've constructed, I mean. So where do you find employment? You find employment in companies that are specializing in metal processing for construction or building construction. For example, roofing companies or facade construction companies. That is where you find employment. So if you are a metal constructor and you are interested in working with metals, or you want to go into the area of construction technology, the duration is 3 years and 5 months, and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. So the 2 other areas of specialization when it comes to this career option is still in this video. So I encourage you to watch the 2 career options. So I'll see you in the next part of the video. So welcome to the second part of the video. This is the second career option when it comes to metal constructor. If you're a metal constructor, this is the second area of specialization, and that is in Fachrichtung Metallgestaltung. That is metal constructor specializing in metal design. As the picture beside is showing, you use metal to design things. The duration is 3 years and 5 months, and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf as well. So do you need a certificate? If you don't have, or you have other certificates or equivalent certificates to what I've mentioned in the previous career option, this you can use to assess this vocational training. So if you have your secondary school leaving certificate, you have your high school leaving certificate, any of the certificates, or even if you don't, but the most important thing is your German language, which is very important. So with this, you can use to assess this vocational training. So metal workers specializing in metal design, you are specialized in designing with metals. What do? You manufacture and assemble components such as rails, railings, metal edgings, and decorations on even everyday objects. You produce one or off pieces according to customer specification or their own design. The customer can bring their design to you that they want you to create the metal design this way. So you process and work with structural steel, alloy steel, copper alloys. You forge the metals, you hammer them, you solder, you weld it, and you treat the surfaces of the materials to protect them from corrosion, from being rusted. You protect the metal design from being rusted, and you assemble the finished work pieces on site if possible. And sometimes you repair and restore forged products that are forged, that are already designed. You restore them and you maintain them as well. So where do you find the employment? You find the employment in companies that are into designing metal structures or forged parts for industrial purposes, for companies that produce arts and crafts or historical items, reconstruct and restore candlesticks, furniture fittings, armors as well. So anything that has to do with designing with metal, arts and craft. If you're interested or you're into arts and craft and you want to use metal to design, or when it comes to building constructions, there are some beautiful building constructions we see nowadays that are made with metals and they look very beautiful. With this, you can use this vocational training when it comes to metal design. You can use it to design these metals, as the picture beside me is showing. So if you're interested in designing things with metals, this is a vocational training in Germany that you would love to look into. So the third part, the area of specialization when it comes to metal constructor, is still in this video. Those are just the 3 areas of specialization. So the first area of specialization is in the first video, this is the second, and the third area of specialization you can go into is still in this video. So I encourage you to watch the video to the end. I'll see you in the next part of the video. Welcome to the third part of the video. If you are still a metal constructor, you want to become a metal constructor, this is the third area of specialization, that is in the Fachrichtung Nutzfahrzeugbau, specialization in commercial vehicle construction. The duration is 3 years and 5 months, and it's an anerkannte Ausbildungsberuf. Do you need a certificate? If you have your Hochschulreife, Hauptschulabschluss, Realschulabschluss, or any certificate, sonstiges that is equivalent to it, or you can have access, and your German language, of course, you can have access to this vocational training in Germany. So if you are a metal worker and you are specializing in commercial vehicle construction, what do? You manufacture vehicle frames, bodies, chassis, and superstructures for commercial vehicles and for machineries. For example, vehicles as machineries for agriculture or forestry, you manufacture them. And based on sketches and drawings, you manufacture components from steel or non-ferrous metal sheets, that is steels that are not too strong. You cut them, you shape them, and you forge the metals. So everything here that we are talking about is you are fabricating parts, you are bringing it together, assembling it for a vehicle construction, and you are using metal. So you anti-lock braking system for trucks, lifting and loading, equipment for delivering vehicles to refrigerated trucks. Refrigerated trucks, you construct them as well. You service and maintain these vehicles, and you remove damaged components and repair them. So you are into vehicle construction, and everything you are doing is making fabricated materials with metals, or constructing the body of the vehicle with metals. So that is what you do in this vocational training. So where do you find employment? You find employment in commercial vehicle construction companies, automotive or mechanical engineering companies, or in repair shop companies, vehicle repair shop companies. That is where you find employment. So if you're interested in Ausbildung in Germany or vocational training in Germany that has to do with mechanical engineering jobs in Germany, I encourage you to look into this video. And finally, we have come to the end of the video. Don't give up on your careers, because only you can stop you. If this video has helped you, kindly share with someone. It can help them too, so we can reach more amazing people like you. If you have not subscribed, what are you waiting for? If you have, turn on your notification bells so that when I drop more career options when it comes to mechanical engineering Ausbildung in Germany, you are the first to know. So don't give up on your careers. I'll see you in my next video, because only you